Hello crafty rebels! Welcome to the second exclusive tutorial for Patreon for February. So this is a project that I need to work on for Tombow. We are cross promoting with Echo Park, so they sent us some goodies and I didn't really know what to do with this stuff, but then I realized, hey, this is all about hair. I'm all about hair. Let's make a hair mini album folio. I decided to film the process for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. It's been a while since I made one of these. And so yeah, I just went through the papers and I cut out some stuff that I think I'm going to want to use. And for the actual folio, I'm going to be using this paper right here. It's perfect. And I'm going to be documenting the different hair colors I've had over the years. I don't really have like a mini album for my hair and I'm growing it out naturally. I'm not gonna dye it anymore, so I think this is gonna be really fun for me to look back on. Probably just put on some music and let you guys watch what I'm doing. I hope that's all right. And yeah, so I'm gonna be making a mini folio for my hair. So let's get started. my completed little hair mini album folio. There are a lot of photos that I forgot to print and a lot of photos that I didn't get to add into it, but overall I was able to stuff a lot of photos in here. So there are about 3 pages, 3 little inserts in each pocket here, so that's 6 plus 2 here and 2 here. One of them only has 1 on each side, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 photos in this folio. So that's pretty freaking amazing. I was gonna add some bling, but it's already really bulky, so I'm gonna leave it as is. I wanted to add a clip just so that I can help keep these in place when I open and close it so things don't shift. But I thought it'd be fun to just add a hair clip because this is all about the different hair colors I've had in the past. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini folio tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in March for Mixed Media March. So excited. Okay, bye.